Hi everyone, welcome back to Sean's Kitchen. Today we're exploring the flavors of Goa with an iconic recipe, Chicken Cafreal. This dish is a Goan classic known for its bold, fresh green masala and tender juicy chicken. Whether new to cooking or a seasoned chef, this recipe is a perfect choice for impressing your family and friends. I'll walk you through each step, so don't worry if this is your first time making it. By the end of the video, you'll have a delicious chicken Cafreal ready to enjoy. Let's get started. First, we'll go with ingredients for the green masala paste, for which let's take 1 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Along with this, here we'll also take 3 green chilies, 6 garlic cloves, small piece of cinnamon stick, 1-inch piece of ginger, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. To add the tangy taste, here we're also going to take 2 tablespoons of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. For a slightly different flavor, here you can also optionally take 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. We'll start off by grinding all of the ingredients, for which we'll take a grinder jar, and to this, we'll start off by adding 1 cup of coriander leaves, the 3 green chilies, 6 garlic cloves, small piece of ginger, small piece of the cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, two tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, and 1/4 cup of water. We will blend this into a smooth aromatic paste. The green masala is what gives chicken Cafreal its signature flavor, so make sure the paste is well blended. If needed, add a little more water to get the right consistency. We don't want it to be too thick. Once you're done making the green masala paste, we will then keep this aside and take a bowl with 750 grams of skinless chicken, and we'll then take the green masala paste and generously coat the chicken with it. We will then mix it really well with the chicken, and once we are done, we will then cover it with a lid and leave it for marination in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. For the best results, I would recommend letting it marinate overnight. This gives the chicken enough time to absorb all of the spices and the herbs, making it even more flavorful when cooked. After the chicken is marinated, we'll take a pan and heat 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Once the oil is hot, you can then add the marinated chicken pieces in the pan. After adding all of the marinated pieces of the chicken in the pan, we'll stir it well and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Frying it for 5 to 6 minutes will help it lock in the juices and give the chicken a much more enhanced flavor. After 6 minutes, we will then add salt as per taste to the pan. And after adding the salt, we'll then mix it once again and let this cook for another 15 minutes on medium flame. We'll continue to cook the chicken for the 15 minutes until it seeps in all of the water and is completely coated in the green masala paste. And after 15 minutes, you can check the chicken for the doneness. It should be tender and cooked through, with a thick layer of green masala coating it. At this point of time, taste the dish and adjust the salt or lime juice if needed. If you prefer cafreal with slightly more gravy, you can add a splash of water here and cook it for another 5 minutes on low flame. And there you have it, your delicious chicken cafreal is ready to be served. So thank you so much for joining me today on Sean's Kitchen, and I really hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide to making chicken cafreal. When you do try out this recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more recipes in Sean's Kitchen. See you next time.